Once you have created your account on Trailhead, you can log in to your Trailhead account, and like I've created using my Google account. So once you log in to Salesforce, it would show you the credentials you have already completed, what's your badge levels and everything. So you can see like I've completed 107 badges and I have like these many points. So I'm at Ranger level at the moment. You can go to Learn tab from here, click on Trails. So this will take you to this section. Click on Admin and click on Beginner, and this will bring you trails which are available for the administrator beginner level. So start with admin beginner and then gradually develop to admin intermediate and then admin advanced, and go to admin beginner, then admin intermediate, then go to admin advanced. So these three trails are very much important from an administrator point of view, so please do them. Also in Trailhead you get to do a lot of super badges. So super badges are like super sets. So like they are like a project which you would do, and it would definitely add to your learning skills, and you'll definitely learn a lot, and it also helps you to prepare for your certification exams as well. You can select your role, so like in this case administrator, and then you can do the badges. So let's say business administration specialist. So that's one, and then you'll have to complete certain trails before this super badge can get unlocked, and then in the super badge you can do all of this. So I would seriously recommend you to complete these super badges because they would definitely help you. And also you can track your certifications. Once you start giving certifications, you can track your certifications here and also verify your certifications. So Trailhead is really a very resourceful platform which Salesforce has given to all of us. So make the best use of it, and there's a lot of knowledge there. So just keep on learning. Please share your questions, comments, and feedback in the comments section.